All right, boys, I'm doing a little project for my brother-in-law, and I just thought it'd be pretty cool to share this with you guys, the way I do the anodized painting process. So, as you can see, the parts look like they're chrome. I'm using this right here by Rust-Oleum, the metallic finish. Shiny finish, fast drying, yeah, all that good stuff. But anyways, not promoted by Rust-Oleum, or sponsored, I should say, but definitely wish I was. But yeah, guys, how I like to do this is I hit it with primer, etching primer, which is right there. And then I hit it with the metallic paint by Rust-Oleum, as I just showed y'all. And then I go with whatever choice of anodized paint we want to go with. So I'm just gonna let this dry for a little bit, guys. I don't want to get no reactions, even though I've done this before a couple times and it works out pretty good. So, but yeah, I'm gonna let that dry. I hit it a couple good coats, and then went ahead and hit it with the heat gun for a couple seconds each piece, and I'm gonna go in the house, take a shower, because I just came in from the road. And after I take a shower, I'll come back out here and we'll start hitting this stuff with our anodized paint. This stuff is real easy to run, boys, so you don't want to try to get in a hurry and go too heavy. And if you can heat it up, you're better off to heat it up. That's after a couple coats, guys. Yeah, I know I painted it before, guys, but it's a long story. But it was damaged on the way to Bobby's house delivering it, and I didn't know it. So after and for some reason, this thing is looking way more like a pinkish purple on camera than it really does in person. It's a really dark purple, to be honest with you. It's a pretty purple. I like it. But yeah, I just got that old blanket thrown on there. I didn't want to mess up my stool. But see how dark it is there? All right, let me give y'all the finished results here. Got the tape off. It's finished product, boys. A little different. It's the brackets. Stuff's all dry too, guys. This other bracket, that's a custom plate he made. It's gonna have an M for Monica. And yeah, we had to redo this one, but it's all cured and dried this go around, guys. This guy here. Hey. All right, boys, that's gonna do it for this video. We'll get you one last shot of this thing before it's gone. Might not ever look the same again, God forbid, but hey, want to get y'all one last shot of it. I think it turned out amazing. Kind of an invention over here. But yeah, boys, kind of turned out like a little galaxy effect or something. But used a bunch of different paints. As you can see, that chrome splash, I used that to get the lighter colors. I used the purple metallic. I used the blue metallic, and got these effects. But this is all dry to the touch, as you can see. And I'm fixing to take it over to my brother-in-law, Bobby, drop it off once and for all. Hopefully, you know, he's easy putting it on. He takes care of it. And, you know, he likes it as much as I do. But yeah, I wasn't even going to record this, guys, because I didn't know how it was going to turn out. But it turned out to be better than what I was expecting, honestly. Even better than I imagined it. It turned out amazing. Really happy with the results. Started off with the blue, and it kind of looked like a blue pearl, like a blue marble effect. And then he told me to blast it with some purple. I blasted it with purple, but it really gave it a dark blue effect, if anything, like a darker blue. It didn't really look purple. So I went in the house and I thought about it for a while, and I was stumped, and I was like, man, I don't know what could really, you know, make these colors look lighter or whatever. And then it hit me, you know, I remembered the chrome. So yeah, so I came out here, and honestly, I think this was the first piece I painted right here, this corner, and it turned out to be like that. So I was like, oh yeah. So then I came over here and I hit this corner, and then it did that. And then, you know, I even hit some blue on top of the chrome, and yeah, we got some, yeah, this is pretty dope, guys. I'm stoked with the results. It's gonna match my brother-in-law's paint perfect. Those of you that follow the channel, you guys seen the engine bay we painted on Monica, his 800 horsepower plus Infiniti G37. So this is gonna go perfect with the engine bay and the whole paint scheme of the Infiniti G37. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, go on and smash that subscribe button for me. And also hit the like. Don't forget to activate that bell icon. And short little video, but I thought I'd share this with y'all because this is kind of epic to me. But yeah, guys, till the next one, boys. Like I always say, I love you all. God bless you all. And yeah, till the next one, boys. We out.